Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the IsEasy Cooker Hood with 60 centimeter. It's an headroom cooker hood with the possibility of suction power of 523 square meters per hour. With 3 setting levels: touch control, recirculation, and exhaust mode. 58 decibel, and it comes in a black finish. And have an energy efficiency of A++. Modern design, because the IsEasy Cooker Hood is made of stainless steel, which has a space-saving beveled design. Clear and simple operating functions give us a new user experience with that cooker hood here. And we have a powerful airflow, up to 523 cubic meter per hour, strong suction power. That means we have a large airflow. It has 2 ventilation openings to increase the suction area. 60 centimeter cooker hood can be keep the kitchen clean. It gives us a smokeless cooking environment. And 3 adjustment levels. This headroom cooker hood here contains 3 adjustable levels, large, medium and small. We can choose the level according to our cooking needs. The noise level is only up to 58 decibel during operation. We can use the recirculation mode or the exhaust mode. That means we have 2-mode ventilation system. The cooker hood includes the carbon filter and an exhaust pipe. That means 2 1.5 watt LED lights gives us an illumination to our cooking area at any time. The 5-layer aluminum filter must be cleaned regularly. We can also clean it in the dishwasher. The product size is 59.5 centimeters to 41.5 centimeters, and the extractor hood between the hood and the workbench should be 65 up to 75 centimeters. If we have an outlet to the outside, our cooker hood here can be connected easily by means of an extraction duct. Enable aluminum flexible pipe on inflammable material with the interior diameter of 150 mm. We choose a straight, short duct run to allow the hood to perform the most efficiently. The long duct runs, elbows and transitions will be reduce the performance of the hood itself. We use as few of them possible. That is, when possible, we use at least 2-foot straight runs before any turns. The large duct work may be required for best performance with longer duct runs itself. So we have a cabinet right and left. In the center we have the hood, and the hood brings this in that flexible pipe out of the house. Before installation, we turn the unit off and unplug it from the outlet. The cooker hood should be placed at a distance of 65 up to 75 centimeters above the cooking plane for the best effect. Okay. Then we place the mounting bracket for the hood body on the wall. Then we mark the positions of the screw hole, and we drill 3 holes with a diameter of 8 mm at the marked positions, of course. We fix the bracket to the wall using the screws and doors supplied, and then we lift the hood body and attach it to the wall bracket. We open the glass flap and remove the aluminum grease filter. We mark the 2 holes in the rear side of the hood on the wall, and we take the hood down again and drill 2 8 mm holes at the marked positions. We hang up the hood again, and then we fix the rear side by using screws and door supplies. We attach the chimney bracket for the outer, lower and inner upper parts of the shaft of the corresponding position on the exhaust shaft using the screw supplied. That means we have a chamois bracket, and we can use this to dock this with the pipe cover system. We place the offset shaft on the body of the hood. We pull it out to the inner part of that shaft at the desired height and mark the position of the screw holes in the chimney bracket on the wall. This is the second cover. This is above the first cover of the hood and pipe system. This is, we can make it a little bit smaller or a little bit larger or longer, and the distance we can change. But for this, we have to remove the exit shaft and drill the holes at the before marked position. And for the exhaust air operation of the hood, we attach the exhaust hose to the air outlet of the hood body. Then we reattach the exhaust shaft onto the hood body, and passing the exhaust hose through the shaft and connect it to the exhaust opening if needed. Then we fasten the two shaft parts with the chimney bracket onto the wall with two screws. That should be 4 to 30 millimeter each. We make sure that the lower end of the outer shaft part rests on the body, on the hood body. It is not necessary to screw the shaft to the body hood, but you can perform this because there are drill holes, and you can attach it if you like. We always turn our hood on before we begin cooking to establish an airflow in the kitchen, and we let the blower run of a few minutes to clear the air after our turn off the range. This will help the whole kitchen is cleaner. We have 2, 4, 5 touch buttons on it. The first is the off button and on button. This turns off the pinions. Then we have the low speed button that starts the fan at low speed. It is suited for simmering and cooking, which does not make so much steam. Medium speed button start the fan at the medium speed. This is ideal for ventilation during standard cooking operation. And high speed button. This starts the fan at the high speed mode. This is ideal for ventilation when a high density of smoke or steam has been produced. And light button is the 5th button on this cooker hood here, and this is for turn on and off the light. We should clean the unit after each use with a cloth and glass cleaner, for example. We use a soft cloth and household cleaning detergent. We can replace the bulbs if it is necessary, but these are LED bulbs and they should be have a long service life, okay? But if we have to replace them, we let the bulbs come down for 10 minutes, and then we can remove everything out of it. That means we remove the carbon filter, the aluminum filter, and then we can unlock these LED beams from the inside and use it easily. Then we have an aluminum and carbon filter that should be replaced. The carbon filter, I think, once a year, and the aluminum filter once a year in dishwasher. No, that's easy. So we press the lock and pull it downward. Then the aluminum filter comes out of it. First, we have to open the cooker hood by pulling it to to our direction if we are standing in front of it, and then it will unlock and you can reach the aluminum filter underneath. To avoid fires, we clean thoroughly once a month or whenever the display part is tied up, if it is fitted. To do some, move the filter and soak in hot water and detergent for an hour. If we're using a dishwasher, we position the filter vertically to improve the cleaning process itself. We can easily perform this, and we make sure that the filter is security locked, because if we have a filter which is not locked at the right lock position, it's not so good removing off air out of the kitchen area process, of course. And then we can start with this IsEasy cooker hood with 6 centimeter. It's an headroom cooker hood with 523 cubic meter per hour strong suction power and 3 settings levels of the ventilation, touch control, recirculation and exhaust mode, and 58 decibel. But that means it is nearly silent. It's black and the energy efficiency is A++. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.